Hello everyone and welcome. This is Chloe with Cousin DIY. Today we're going to make pom-pom earrings. The package comes with an assortment of spring colors. And today we're going to use these colors together in this combination. I'm going to get set up and I'll be right back. We'll get started. Welcome back. The first step is to take a head pin, slide on a crimp tube. Then we're going to take our largest pom-pom, which in this case is lavender, and we're going to push the end of that head pin through the middle of the pom-pom, like so. Then we're going to slide on another crimp tube. I'm going to use my cheater bead. Those of you who've been following me know that it's about an 8mm bead that I use as a guide to show me where to cut the stem of my eye pins and head pins. So we'll cut that stem off. I find that the crimp tubes help hold the eye pin onto the pom-pom without sliding through. Next are round nose pliers and form a loop. Next we'll take an eye pin, slide on a crimp tube, take our middle-sized pom-pom, which happens to be this pretty powder blue, slide that stem right through the middle of that pom-pom. To be in the middle. Slide on another crimp tube, cheater bead, trim the stem, and form a loop. Want to make sure that that lines up so it's centered. And lastly, we'll repeat that step with our smallest pom-pom, which is a powder pink. The next step is to cut 2 lengths of this extender chain that came in the Finding Starter Pack. And we're just gonna, first we're gonna cut 2 links joined together, and next we're just going to cut a single link, which I actually have right here. Take 4mm jump rings, find the end of that jump ring. Okay, we're going to open the jump ring and we're going to attach that to the loop on the largest pom-pom and to one of the 2 links that are joined together. Take another 4mm jump ring, And take that top link and connect it to one of the loops on our middle pom-pom. Close that jump ring, making sure it's nice and secure. Another jump ring. The other side of that link and attach it to the loop on one side of the small pom-pom. Take another 4mm jump ring, open it, attach the loop on the other side of the top small pom-pom, and connect that to the loop on the bottom of an ear wire. And we have a completed earring. I'm going to go ahead and make the matching earring, and I'll be right back. What do you think? If you make your own pom-pom earrings, we'd love to see them. You can share them with us on Instagram at #CreateWithCousin. Thanks again for joining us. See you next time. Bye.